We keep saying the model. Let's open it up and look inside. A trained model is nothing more than a big list of numbers. We call those numbers weights. That's it. That's the whole secret. Go back to y equals mx plus c. While training, m and c wandered around. When training finished, they settled on two exact values. Those final values are the model. Save them and you can predict prices forever. Now scale that up. A real model doesn't have two dials. It has millions, billions of them. ChatGPT has around 1 trillion. Every single one is just a trained number, one weight. So a model is literally a file full of these weights. You hand it your input, it runs the numbers through those weights, and out comes a prediction. Input in, weights do their thing, answer out. One thing worth being clear about, the file holds the trained weights, not the original data. The data was the teacher. The weights are what the model learned and kept. The teacher can go home.
So when I download a model, I'm really just downloading a file of numbers.
Exactly that. A big, carefully arranged file of numbers, plus the simple recipe for running your input through them. Nothing mystical inside. And those weight files come in a few standard shapes and they can be squeezed to run on smaller machines. Next, model files and the words safe tensors, GGUF, and quantized.